हेलो फ्रेंड्स, जीके हब ट्रिक्स यूट्यूब चैनल के ऊपर आज हम डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं पंचायत ऑडिटर का एग्ज़ाम जो कि हिमाचल में 24 अक्टूबर 2020 को हुआ था और इस पोस्ट का कोड था 760। और इस पोस्ट 760 यानी पंचायत ऑडिटर एग्ज़ाम के जो 170 क्वेश्चन आए थे एग्ज़ाम में, वो आज हम डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं विद देयर आंसर्स। तो आइए इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। इसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, इन विच ईयर द वाइस रेगल dance in honor of the Queen Victoria was held in अनाडले इन शिमला। सो दैट इज़ ऑप्शन ए 1839 में महारानी विक्टोरिया के सम्मान में 22 रीगल नृत्य जो है वो अनाडले में आयोजित किया गया था 1839 में। उसका था क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ द हिमालयन हिल स्टेट्स रीजनल काउंसिल वॉज लोकेटेड एट विच प्लेस इन हिमाचल प्रदेश। सो दैट इज़ शिमला। उसका था क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, द ओनली राजा हु एक्टेड विद hostility and discourtesy toward the British was, so that was option A Shamsher Singh of Bushehr. Question number 4, Himachal Pradesh became an union territory on so 1st November 1956. Very important question है। उसका था क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, न्यू वुमेन पुलिस स्टेशन हैव बीन ओपनड इन विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ हिमाचल प्रदेश। तो हिमाचल प्रदेश के किस जिले में नया पुलिस स्टेशन ओपन किया गया है? तो वो है सोलन में भी ओपन किया गया है, चंबा में भी, हमीरपुर में भी, यानी ऑल ऑफ दीज में। उसके बाद है क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है, द लीड बैंक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इन हिमाचल प्रदेश हैज़ बीन गिवन टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बैंक्स। सो ऑप्शन ए पीएनबी को भी दी गई है, एसबीआई को भी, यूको बैंक को भी, यानी ऑल ऑफ दिस इज द राइट आंसर। उसका है, इन हिमाचल प्रदेश टोटल नंबर ऑफ जिंजर डेवलपमेंट स्टेशन इज, तो दैट इज़ एक ही हिमाचल प्रदेश में अदरक विकास स्टेशनों की कुल संख्या है। उसका था क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, शीप ब्रीडिंग फार्म इज लोकेटेड एट विच प्लेस इन हिमाचल प्रदेश। सो दैट इज ऑप्शन ए ज्योरी में हिमाचल प्रदेश का भेड़ प्रजनन फार्म स्थित है। वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। उसका था क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, हिमाचल प्रदेश फॉरेस्ट इकोसिस्टम्स क्लाइमेटिक प्रूफिंग प्रोजेक्ट इज एक्सटर्नली assisted by which country। so that is right answer is Germany. Question number 10, total number of labor court cum industrial tribunal established in हिमाचल प्रदेश इज, तो वो कितने हैं? दैट इज ऑप्शन ए 2। उसका है 4 मेगावाट सोलर प्रोजेक्ट हैज़ बीन कमीशन एट विच प्लेस इन हिमाचल प्रदेश। सो दैट इज जाहू इज द राइट आंसर। उसके बाद है क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, Himachal Pradesh Tourism Development Corporation has been established in which year? So that is 1972. Question number 13, according to 2011 census, Himachal Pradesh has a literacy rate of, so that is option B 82.80%. उसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, एट विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्लेस इन हिमाचल प्रदेश सेंट्रल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ प्लास्टिक इंजीनियरिंग एंड टेक्नोलॉजी इज लोकेटेड। वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट इज ऑप्शन ए बद्दी। उसका था क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, रिसेंटली द यूनियन कैबिनेट अप्रूव्ड द टेम्परेरी सस्पेंशन ऑफ द MPLAD fund for how many years amid the coronavirus pandemic? So that is option number B 2 years. उसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, हु इज़ द चेयरमैन ऑफ रिसेंटली कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड एम्पावर्ड कमेटी बाय गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया टू कोऑर्डिनेट with private sector NGOs and international organization related to COVID-19? So that is option number B is the right answer, Amitabh Kant. उसका था क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, Bronx Zoo, where a tiger was tested positive for COVID-19 for the first time in the world, is located in which country? So that is Italy. Question number 18, under Operation Sanjeevani, India has recently supplied essential medicines and food grains to which country? So that is option D, Maldives. Question number 19, that is Kongong, Lian and Chen Chen are the recently released mascots of which international sporting event? That is option number C, Asian Games. उसका था क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट रिसेंटली अनाउंस टू प्रिपेयर स्पेशल टेक्स्ट बुक फॉर चिल्ड्रन विद लर्निंग डिसेबिलिटी? दैट इज ऑप्शन ए, उत्तर प्रदेश। उसके बाद है क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, which state has recently adopted a new logo for its legislative assembly which consists of foxtail orchid? So that is option number B, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 22, the National Traders Convention was held in which Indian city recently? So that is option A, India. Question number 23, Daniel De Rossi, who announced his retirement recently in a World Cup winning footballer of which country? So that is option B, Italy. Question number 24, Jal Jeevan Haryali Mission is a recent flagship climate change initiative of which Indian state? So that is option A, Bihar. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, अब ये रीजनिंग के क्वेश्चंस हैं तो इनको भी एक बार डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, If the second half of the English alphabet is written in reverse order, then which letter will be ninth of the right of ninth letter from the left? So that is D हो जाएगा, that is sorry D option, that is A letter. उसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, विच वन इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द रेस्ट? सो दैट इज पी क्यू. इसमें रीजनिंग चेक करनी है सारी. उसका था क्वेश्चन नंबर 27, एज वुड रिलेटेड टू ट्री इन द सेम वे वूल इज रिलेटेड टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? दैट इज शीप. उसका 28, in a code if x is denoted by 7, p denoted by 9, z by 6, m by 5, l by 3 and d by 2, then p, l, p, x, m is denoted by which code? That is option number A, 932756. उसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 29, if paper is called ink, ink is called pen and pen is called rose, rose is called rock, rock is called love and love is called tears, then does what is used to sweet her to write a letter to her lover? So that is C, rose. उसका था क्वेश्चन नंबर 30, in the following number series how many sevens are there which are followed by 4 but not preceded by 8? So that is option number B, 3 is the right answer. उसका था क्वेश्चन नंबर 31, if the following number are written in descending order, then which will be the middle digit of the middle term? That is option number A, that is 1 is the right answer. So the question number 32, Shweta and Neha are on 15th and 20th places from upward respectively in a class of 55 girls. What will be their respective position from downward? So that is option number D, 41st, 41 and 36. उसका था क्वेश्चन नंबर 33, Kiran is shorter than Preeti but not than Sulekha. Sunita is taller than Prabha. Who is shorter than Shweta? Who is shortest? Then option is D, cannot be determined. उसका था 34, complete the series. तो इसमें आएगा HGR. उसके बाद इंग्लिश के क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. तो इंग्लिश के क्वेश्चन को हम एक बार चेकआउट कर लेते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 35 से. इसमें क्या करना है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 35 to 39, चूज द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड आउट ऑफ 4 गिवन अल्टरनेटिव्स A, B, C and D to fill in the blank. So question number 35, he has good dash over the famous world languages, that is command. उसके बाद question number 36, the unruly behavior of the student dash their teacher, that is incensed. उसका था question number 37, tension is likely to dash in the Kashmir valley now, so that is ease. Question number 38, he had to wait until his sister to train arrived dash to take her to his house, so that is option number D, so as. Question number 39, the judge ordered that criminal be put dash death to death. D option is the right answer. Then correctly spelled word is, that is requirement, option C is the right answer. Antonym of factious, that is option number B, genuine. Question number 42, synonym of paramount, that is option B, supreme. Question number 43, meaning of the idiom to put one's hand to plow, that is D, to take up a difficult task. Question number 44, identify the error in the part following sentence marked as A, B, C and D. So that is option number A, I am waiting. उसके बाद हिंदी के क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. तो हिंदी का सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है, दैट इज़ 45 नंबर क्वेश्चन. घड़ी में तोला, घड़ी में माशा मुहावरे का अर्थ है, दैट इज़ द ऑप्शन नंबर ए, दैट इज़ निकम्मा काम करना. उसके बाद है 46, शुद्ध शब्द है, दैट इज़ ऑप्शन डी, कार्यक्रम. उसका 47, उच्छ्वास संधि का विच्छेद है, दैट इज़ ऑप्शन ए, उत प्लस श्वास. पंख का तत्सम है, दैट इज़ पक्ष, ऑप्शन डी. भंगी का स्त्रीलिंग है, दैट इज़ भंगिन. मदमाता में समास है, दैट इज़ तत्पुरुष. अमर की भाववाचक संज्ञा है, दैट इज़ अमृतब. उसके बाद है नगर का विशेषण है, दैट इज़ नागरिक. उसके बाद है क्वेश्चन नंबर 53, अनुज में उपसर्ग है, दैट इज़ अनु. एंड क्वेश्चन 54, गेरुबा में प्रत्यय है, दैट इज़ डी, उआ. उसका 55, सेंसस 2011 was census of 15th census. Question 56, the song Jan Gan Man was originally composed in which language? That is Bengali language. Question number 57, part 3 of Indian Constitution deals with, so that is fundamental right. Question number 58, the Comptroller and Auditor General of India is appointed by which of the following? That is none of these, option D, यानी ये इसको प्रेसिडेंट जो है वो अपॉइंट करता है. उसके बाद है क्वेश्चन नंबर 59, डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट एक्ट वाज एनेक्टेड इन विच ईयर? दैट इज 2005. उसका था क्वेश्चन नंबर 60, who was the chairman of second administrative reforms commission? So that is option D, Birappa Moily. 61, meaning of Sevotam in Sevotam model is, so that is option number A, service excellence. Question number 62. The first municipal corporation in India was set up in which presidency town? So that is the option number A, Madras. Then sweep is an acronym of for means full form. तो स्वीप की फुल फॉर्म है ऑप्शन ए, सिस्टमेटिक वोटर एजुकेशन एंड इलेक्टोरल पार्टिसिपेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 64, दैट इज कृषोन्नति योजना इंक्लूड्स विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्कीम? दैट इज ऑल ऑफ दिस. नेशनल फूड सिक्योरिटी मिशन भी आता है, नेशनल मिशन फॉर सूटेबल एग्रीकल्चर एंड नेशनल मिशन ऑन एग्रीकल्चर एक्सटेंशन एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. उसके बाद है क्वेश्चन नंबर 65. The Sahitya Academy publish books in how many language? That is option number D, 24. Very very important question. उसका था question number 66. Currently which is the base year for the calculation of whole price index WPI in India? That is 2011-12. The next question, the Council for Leather Export is located at which place in India? That is option D, Chennai. Question number 68, the hobby of collecting stamps is called as philately. Question number 69, the National Cyber Security Policy was launched in which year? That is option A, 2013. Question number 70, Officers Training Academy is located at which place in India? That is option B, both A, B means Chennai and Gaya. Then 71, Padhe Bharat is a national-wide program in India under which of the following program? That is SSA, Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. Then question number 72, at which of the following places in India the first hydropower station was commissioned? That is the option A, Shiv Sundaram. उसका 73, National Biodiversity Authority is a, so that is both B and C means regulatory body and statutory body. Question 74, under which article of Indian Constitution annual financial statement has to be laid before the parliament? That is option number B, article 112. 75, company law board is an, so that is both A and D, that is independent A and C, independent body and quasi judicial body. उसका था क्वेश्चन 76, अंडर अंत्योदय अन्ना योजना फूड ग्रेन्स are provided to identified beneficiary, that is option C, at highly subsidized rates. Question number 77, ASHA stands for, so that is option C, accredited social health activists. उसका 78, the government of India has an agenda on housing for all by which year? That is 2022 यानी 2022. 79, Indian Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi led the official Indian delegation to which session of UN General Assembly in 2014? So that is 69th. Question number 80, which country is supporting to strengthen efforts to improve infrastructure in Chennai Bengaluru industrial corridor? So that is option C, Japan. Question number 81, principal seat of Uttar Pradesh High Court is at which place? That is Allahabad. Question number 82, as per Child Labour Act, employment of children below the age is prohibited in hazardous occupation, that is 14 years. उसका है question number 83, the popular Vidya Bharati service provide entertainment for how many hours in a day? So that is 15 hours in a day. Question number 84, public financial management system was earlier known as, so that is option C, Central Planned Schemes Monitoring System. Question number 85, under Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana, Adarsh Gram serves as the nucleus of which of the following? That is health, cleanliness and greenery. All of these is the right answer. Question number 86, intermediate tier of Panchayati Raj institution is, so that is Panchayat Samiti. Question number 87, Central Electronics Limited is a, so public sector enterprises. And question number 88, Jawaharlal Nehru Port is in which Indian state? That is option B, Maharashtra. 89, Central Water Commission is headed by a chairman with the status of an, so ex officio, option A, ex officio secretary to the government of India. Then question number 90, how many Indian states have set up the State Commission for Minorities so far? So that option C, 15. Question number 91, which of the following is given as a cash award to any National Youth Awards winning voluntary youth organization? That is option 2 lakh rupees. Question number 92, total number of union territory in India? That is option B, 8. Question number 93, which of the following is the lowest in order to precedence? That is option C, Chief Election Commissioner. Question number 94, which of the following has been posthumously awarded with the Bharat Ratna Award? So that is option B, JP Narayan. First use of handmade pottery appeared during which age? So that is the Neolithic age. 96, Vedas are divided into which of the following? So that is Samhita. Question number 97. The capital of Surasen Mahajanpada was at which place? So that is Mathura. The right answer. Question number 98. The fourth Buddhist council took place during the royal patronage of which of the following? So that is Kanishk. Question number 99. The most famous Indo-Greek ruler was the option A, Meander. Then question number 100. Ajanta painting belongs to which of the period? That is Gupta period. Then question number 101. Jizya was a tax by, so that is option number B, non-Muslim only. Question number 102. The Bahmani kingdom of Deccan was founded by which of the following? So that is Hasan Gangu, option A. 103. Which Bhakti saint was contemporary of Shivaji? So that is A, Tukaram. 104. The second battle of Panipat took place in which year? That is option B, 1556. Real name of Shershah Suri was, so option D, that is Freed. And question number 106. Which of the following invented Gurumukhi script? That is option B, Guru Angad. Question number 107. Women University was founded in 1916 at which of the following place? That is option C, Pune. 108. Who wrote a gift to monotheist book? That is A, option A, Rajaram Mohan Rai. 109. Muslim League was formed in which year? That is 1906. Then 110. Which is the farthest planet from the sun? That is Neptune. Slate is a type of rock, that is the metamorphic rock. Then question number 112. Generally all types of weather phenomena take place in which of the atmospheric layer? That is troposphere. Typhoons occur in which region? That is China Sea. Downs is a grassland of which country? That is Australia. The ocean current flowing from higher latitude to lower latitude are called as cold currents. The original inhabitants of North America are called as Red Indians. And this question number 117. That is Jakarta is the new name of the which of the following? That is Malaya. That is the Malaya. उसके बाद है question number 118. Hyderabad is located on the banks of which river? That is Musi. 119. Which of the following is a fiber crop? That is hemp, जिसको जूट बोलते हैं. Question number 120. Which is a non-metallic mineral? That is manganese. The next one is the Baruni oil refinery is located in which Indian state? That is Bihar. The headquarters of South Western Railway is located at which place? That is Hubli. Simplipal Biosphere Reserve is located in which Indian state? That is Odisha. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway has been included in the World Heritage Site list of UNESCO in which year? That is 1999, 1999 में. Then question number 125. By which Constitutional Amendment Act Delhi was given the status of National Capital Territory of India? That is 69th Amendment. Which of the following can summons a joint sitting of the both the houses of the parliament? That is the option A, President. उसके बाद है 127. Who can recommend the dissolution of the Lok Sabha before its expiry? That is the option C, Pradhan Mantri means Prime Minister. 128. Which session is the Parliament is the shortest session? That is the winter session. How many judges of Supreme Court has been impeached so far by the Parliament? So अभी तक किसी के ऊपर भी नहीं लगा है. That is nil. उसका था question number 130. The Chief Minister hold the office during the pleasure of which of the following? That is none of these. Question 131. Which of the following state legislate assembly has lowest number of the seat? That is Sikkim. The tenure of office chief election commissioner is, so that is none of these, यानी 6 year का होता है इनका. Question number 133. Which of the following falls in primary sector of Indian economy? That is forestry. Which sector has highest planned outlay during the first 5-year plan? That is agriculture. Silver revolution is related to the production of, so that is the eggs. That is the eggs. उसका है the next one is 136. State Bank of India was previously known as, so that is the option number B is the right answer, that is Imperial Bank of India. Then 137. Which year is known as the year of Great Divide? That is 1921. Rabies is caused by which of the following? That is virus. Quinine is extracted from which of the following? That is none of these. Which food crop has maximum content of protein? That is soya bean. And bakeries use yeast in bread making because it, so option C, makes the bread softy and spongy. Question number 142. Panda belongs to same family as that of, so that is option C, that is the bear. Question number 143. The basic structural and functional unit of living organism is cell. teeth and bone acquire strength by rigidity of, so that is option A, calcium. Which is involved in animal food, that is cellulose. The main function of white blood cell in the body is to protect body against diseases. The largest artery in human body is, that is the aorta यानी महाधमनी, ऑप्शन ए। उसका था क्वेश्चन नंबर 148। In human body, an important role of excretion is played by kidneys. Which of the following deficiency cause goiter, that is iodine होगा इसका आंसर, बट यहाँ पे none of these है। Which liquid contains highest rate of vaporization, that is the kerosene oil, that is 150 नंबर क्वेश्चन। 151 का है अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज can be used in water treated as, so that is the option D, disinfectant. Question 152, why does the blackboard appears black in color? Because it absorbed all the colors. Question number 153, what is filled inside an electric bulb, that is argon. उसके बाद है क्वेश्चन नंबर 154, the boiling point of water depends upon, that is atmospheric pressure. Which of the following element is not radioactive, that is zirconium. Then question 156, the process of deposition of a layer of zinc on iron is called as, that is the galvanization. 157, sour taste of Coca-Cola is due to, so that is the phosphoric acid. 158, which is the easternmost mountain range of Himachal Pradesh, so that is the Jaskar. 159, which has been described by Kalidas as Devatma, so that is the Himalaya, option B. उसका था क्वेश्चन नंबर 160, which of the following district is the part of New Himachal, so that is all of these, Kangra, Kullu and all Spiti. 161, which lake has been called as Chinese pilgrim Huan Swang as Lohitya Sarovar, so that is option A, Chandratal. Harla is a tributary of which river in Himachal Pradesh, that is Beas. Who built the fort of Dhar Jhanjiyar, so that is the option C, Sansar Chand. उसका था क्वेश्चन 164, which Britisher played a great role in forming alliance with chiefs of Hindur and Kahlur against Gorkha, so that is option A, David Ochterlony. Question number 165, which ruler of Chamba prohibited the killing of mice in his kingdom, so that is none of these, option D. 166, a famous cave temple Deodsid is located in which district of Himachal Pradesh, that is Hamirpur. Jaswa princely state was founded by which of the following, that is the Purva Chand. 168, which is a festival of flower in Kinnaur district of Himachal Pradesh, so that is Ukhyang. And question 169, what is Garja in Himachal Pradesh, so that is the option D, second popular name of Lahore. And the last question, that is 170, which is the only economic mineral of Mandi district of हिमाचल प्रदेश, that is the rock salt. तो ये सारे के सारे 170 क्वेश्चंस थे। ये आपके सभी हिमाचल प्रदेश के कोई भी हमीरपुर सबॉर्डिनेट बोर्ड या हिमाचल पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन के थ्रू जितने भी एग्ज़ाम होते हैं उनमें से मोस्टली यही क्वेश्चन जो हैं यहीं से इन्हीं टॉपिक से क्वेश्चन आते हैं। तो ये जो एग्ज़ाम है या ये पेपर है आपके टीजीटी कमीशन, चाहे वो मेडिकल हो, चाहे नॉन मेडिकल, चाहे आर्ट्स का हो या कोई भी टेस्ट हो, उसके लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड best of luck to all of you.